In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to convert select dropdown to a text box. I copy pasted here the lines of code from Codeigniter application just to show it in a simple way, and copied these lines from Codeigniter application here just to show it in a simple way from this file to avoid any confusion just for any beginners. And if you are a beginner, and you can just plug and play these codes, and you can transform your select option to a text field. For select I mean, if you for select I mean drop down select. For example, if you go to W3 schools website, so here you can see a menu or a drop down where this is a select. This is a select tag, and options are from here: Volvo, Opel, Audi. So I'm going to so this lines of code is running from here. So I'm going to transform this select into a text field where you can just input text. So this is a text field. Sometimes you need text field, like for example, a name, and so for example, this is a name field. You are seeing this PHP echo because this was part of a Codeigniter. So this is a PHP, and if you don't put any value here, if you put it blank, so this will be blank, and you can input anything, and it will work as a text field. So in forms we use text field, and I transform this select to a text field by flag. So if I go to select, and then so here is the format that I want to transform. And so you have to be very careful about the type, class, name, ID, because in PHP the PHP and in different application, it works by name, ID. So it takes the ID, or sometimes it takes the name, city. So everything will be similar, just the select part will be converted to text. So here in drop down you can't see anything because this is a line of PHP code, and as PHP is not connected to the database, it is not showing anything in the drop down menu. So so to start, you have to see that select the main tag, and you have to replace the select tag with input. Then class, you have to just copy paste the correct things with the correct names. Form control. So I deleted the select because it was part of a select class that the PHP was responding due to the select. So you have to be careful also to not take the class. And there is name, city, ID, city. So the application, the PHP application the Codeigniter application will identify this the field as input field. So everything is given here. Here the value is also was generated from the database, but now we don't have any database, so it will just show it as a text part. This is a text and not PHP. So here it is, input, and tag is there. So if you so after just writing class name, ID, it should work, and input type will be text from select. Thank you for watching this video. Hope I will be adding more videos in my channel. Please like, comment, and share.